In this video, we will discuss the case studies on the chapter Business Environment of Class 12 Business Studies. In question number 1, there are two parts. In first part, we have to identify the dimensions of business environment, and in part B, we have to list the components mentioned in those dimensions. We know there are 5 dimensions of business environment, that is social, legal, political, economic, and technological. Let's try to find out the dimensions. After winning the election, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi launched a campaign of Swachh Bharat and invited various celebrities to be a part of this abhiyan. So from the first line, there is something mentioned about Prime Minister starting a campaign. From this line, we get one component, one dimension of business environment, which is political. Then let's read further. This spread awareness among the people in society and in general. People started becoming more careful and aware about cleanliness around their area. This spread awareness among people in society. This line is related to social environment. So from this line, we have got another dimension of business environment, that is social environment. In general, people started becoming more careful. We have read that line. To continue its impact, a new service tax for Swachh Bharat was started. A new service tax, this is related to economic environment. Government is planning to import new and better technology. Whenever we talk about new, better, innovation, new methods, that is technological environment. So from the case, we have got 4 dimensions: political, social, economic, technological. We have also quoted the lines. We have to underline these lines. It is asked to quote the lines. In part B, we have to list the components included in the dimensions. For example, first dimension is political. What components are included in political? We can say attitude of government, stability of government. Then social, we can mention the components like trends, customs, traditions. Then economic environment includes components like income, GNP, GDP, tax. Then technological, we can mention the components innovation, inventions, new ways, better ways. So I hope first question is clear. Let's move on to another second question. In question 2 also there are 2 parts. In A part it is asked feature of business environment. In part B, dimension of business environment. So let's start reading. 2 big banner movies were scheduled to release on the same date. On the last moment, release of one of the movies had to be postponed due to opposition of a group of people due to some unethical contents related to their religion. Other movie released on same time and made huge profits as there was no competition, and movie which was postponed suffered loss. So यहाँ पे एक जगह पे मूवी रिलीज हुई है तो सक्सेस हुई है, whereas दूसरी जगह पे मूवी ने लॉस सफर किया है ड्यू टू सम अनएथिकल कंटेंट्स. सो यहाँ पे it has talked about differences in business environment in different places. So which feature of business environment is this? Relativity, which states that business environment differs from region to region. हर जगह का business environment अलग होता है. Then dimension. In this case, social dimension is the answer, due to which the movie has been delayed. Question number 3. Again, 2 parts. In first part, objective of management is asked. We have studied it in chapter 1. 3 objectives are organizational, personal and social. Then B part, dimension of business environment. Out of 5 dimension, we have to find out the correct dimension. So let's read the case. One of the corporate giant is facing a lot of criticism due to different behavior and attitude towards workers on the basis of caste, sex and religion. So यहाँ पे वर्कर्स में डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया जा रहा है. तो यहाँ पे किस ऑब्जेक्टिव की बात हुई है? पर्सनल. एंड डायमेंशन अगेन इट इज social. There is one more part, C part, identify the principle. Now chapter 2. So in this case, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. This is an interdisciplinary question from 3 chapters. So principle of management, we can clearly see that there is no equity being followed. There is discrimination towards workers. So equity is not followed here. Then question number 4. Feature of management and dimensions of business environment. So A part is from chapter 1 and B part from is chapter 3. Most of the foreign food chains operating in India changed their menu. Change की बात हो रही है, क्या वर्ड मन में आता है? Dynamic. And dimension of business environment, social. Next, question number 5. What is asked in this question? Importance of business environment. So this is the topic, importance of business environment. Recently, the design of business studies question paper has been changed by CBSE. In order to get advantage out of the same, Arya Book Depot immediately published a book containing question as per changed pattern as design. So जैसे ही CBSE ने पैटर्न चेंज किया, this one publisher immediately published a book. So यहाँ पे क्या इम्पोर्टेंस होगा? यहाँ पे आर्य बुक डिपो ने अपॉर्चुनिटी को आइडेंटिफाई किया कि जैसे ही न्यू पैटर्न आएगा CBSE के द्वारा तो न्यू पैटर्न की बुक्स की डिमांड बढ़ेंगी. सो आर्य बुक डिपो ने इसको आइडेंटिफाई किया और उस पर कैपिटलाइज किया. सो यहाँ पे क्या इम्पोर्टेंस होगा? Identification of opportunity and getting first mover advantage. The first point of our importance of understanding business environment. So answer is identification of opportunity and getting first mover advantage. Question number 6. Identify the changes in business environment under different heads. Again, we can see this is a question from dimensions of business environment. And B part, we have to tell the impact of these changes. So let's see. Many companies have planned for significant investment in organized retailing in India. Several factors have prompted their decisions. Customer income is rising. Income ये किस component में आता है? Economic. People have developed a taste for better quality products. This comes under social. Then aspirations level have increased, again social. Government also liberalize its economic policies. यहाँ पे government के attitude की बात हो रही है. It comes under political environment. And cent% FDI in some sectors. This is legal. And impact. So यहाँ पे liberalization and globalization and privatization की बात हुई है. उसका क्या impact होगा? Consumer will become more demanding. There will be technological improvements. There will be need for market orientation. There will be higher competition. इनमें से कोई भी दो impact हम explain कर सकते हैं. Question number 7, we have to identify the type or dimension of business environment in each of the line. Bank reducing interest rates on housing loans. This is economic. Interest rates. Increasing number of working women. This is trend, social. Booking of railway reservation tickets through internet. Improvement in methods है technological. Alcohol beverages are prohibited. ये rule है. So this will come under legal. Increase in use of mobile phones and iPods. Again, technological improvement. So this will come under technological. Increase in demand, loan due to attractive interest rate, economic. Next question. Question number 8. This question is from CBSE 2015. This came in CBSE 2015 board exam. There are two parts. We have to identify dimension of business environment, and B part is from chapter 2. We have to state the principle of management followed by the company. So dimensions and principle of management. Let's read the case. Bani, after completing her MBA, took up a job with a MNC. The company was paying good salary and perks. The wages are within paying capacity of the company and provided employees a reasonable standard of living. ये wages के regarding है कि वो paying capacity में भी है और employees को reasonable standard of living भी दे रहा है. तो यहाँ से हमें principle of management पता चल गया. Remuneration. Then Bani was happy in this organization, but due to long working hours, she didn't have time to cook her meal. She had to depend on outside food. She observed that this problem was faced by many of her colleagues, not only in her company, but also in many other companies. This was due to increase in number of working women. So from here, trend is being spoken about. So ट्रेंड्स की बात है तो यहाँ पे कौन सा डायमेंशन होगा? सोशल. सो हमने बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट का डायमेंशन भी आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, सोशल, ड्यू टू ट्रेंड, इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग वुमेन, एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, रेम्यूनरेशन. Now question number 9. Dimensions of business environment. With change in consumption habits of people. यहाँ से हमें social लग रहा है. was running a sweet shop, shifted to a chocolate business on the eve of Diwali. Festivals भी generally social में ही आता है. And then he anticipated huge demand and created website for taking orders online. So यहाँ online मेथड अडॉप्ट किया है, कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है, टेक्नोलॉजी यूज की है. सो यहाँ से हमारे पास सोशल आ गया एंड यहाँ से हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजिकल आ गया. सो टू डायमेंशंस आर mentioned, social and technological. This was again from board examination 2016. Question number 10. Two concepts related to government policy. So government policy में इस चैप्टर में हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Liberalization, privatization and globalization. So we have to read the case and identify the two concepts. It will be out of liberalization, privatization and globalization. B part, we have to tell three impacts of those concepts. Let's start reading the case. Nandranchal Network Limited is a leader in technology innovation in USA, creating products and solutions for a connected world. While in search of markets abroad, the company found that in India the reform process was underway with the aim of accelerating the pace of economic growth. The company decided to take the advantage of the fact that licensing requirements had been abolished. लाइसेंसेस हटा दिए गए हैं, फ्रीडम की बात है. यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिला है? लिबरलाइजेशन. The company was aware that there had been increased level of interaction and interdependence about various nations of the world. So यहाँ पे clearly हमें क्या मिल रहा है? ग्लोबलाइजेशन. नेशंस का एक दूसरे पे इंटरडिपेंडेंस की बात की गई है. सो दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट्स हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिए हैं, लिबरलाइजेशन एंड ग्लोबलाइजेशन. एंड बी पार्ट में उसका इम्पैक्ट बताना है. सो वी कैन मेंशन इंक्रीजिंग कंपटीशन, more demanding customers, technological improvements, market orientation, or any other impact. Question number 11. This is again from CBSE. It came in 2018 board paper. We have to state the feature of the concept. जिस concept की बात की गई है उसका feature बताना है. Concept नहीं बताना है, उस concept का feature बताना है. And then importance of the concept. Konak Limited is an electronic goods manufacturing enterprise situated in Shivpuri, MP. It is earning very low revenue in comparison to competing electronic goods enterprise Nova Limited situated in Mumbai. Both Konak's and Nova's operations were affected directly by investors, competitors and suppliers. ये लाइन देख के हमें कौन सा फीचर याद आ रहा है? बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट का general and specific force. Then next is individual firms are affected indirectly by factors like money supply, economic. So this line talks about specific forces and this line talks about general forces. So we have identified concept as business environment and feature is specific and general forces. Then we have to identify four importance of concept. Concept क्या था? Business environment. So business environment का कोई भी चार importance हम लिख सकते हैं. Like identification of opportunity, identification of threat, improving performance, planning, any of four importance. Then last question number 12. This is CBSE 2019 question and we have to quote lines and identify dimensions of business environment. We have to explain as well. So quote, identify and explain. This was of around 6 marks question. This was 6 mark question. So dimensions के हमने बहुत सारे question कर लिए हैं. कितने dimensions हैं? Social, political, legal, economic and technological. India crafts heritage is surviving because of its custom and tradition. इस लाइन से clearly क्या dimension आ रहा है? Social. Craft products made by craftsmen are not only used in the country but also exported to USA, Germany, UK, France and other countries. यहाँ एक्सपोर्ट की बात की गई है. नेक्स्ट लाइन में भी अगर हम देखेंगे exports and balance of payment, foreign exchange. All these terms are related to economic environment. Then Prime Minister desires that handicraft industry should be expanded by linking to with technological. तो यहाँ से हम 2 पॉइंट निकल के आते हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर, यहाँ पॉलिटिकल हमें पता चलता है एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से हमें टेक्नोलॉजिकल पता चलता है. नेक्स्ट लाइन देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे इनोवेशंस की बात की गई है. तो नेक्स्ट लाइन में हम टेक्नोलॉजिकल लिख लेंगे और इस लाइन में प्राइम मिनिस्टर का एटीट्यूड बताया जा रहा है, गवर्नमेंट का एटीट्यूड बताया जा रहा है. सो इट विल कम अंडर पॉलिटिकल. So we have identified and quote lines: social environment, economic environment, political and technological. You can quote lines in inverted commas and you also need to explain these points. So half mark is for identification, half mark is for quoting lines and half mark is for explaining. I hope these case studies are understood by you.